Hello and welcome back to Marketing Prof for this walkthrough about how to find animated icons. Okay, which kind of platform or websites do we usually go to for all these animated icons? Okay, so one of it is Envato Elements. So we just have to include the search term, which is icon, at the search bar, and it will return up to 201 icons, and we've even filtered it for software such as Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro that don't require plugins. Yeah, there's also those that's suitable for different type of applications such as After Effects, Apple Motion, and Final Cut Pro. Okay, so there are all these different icons, such as this is the basic one. Okay, let's maximize that. Okay, this is for the basic animation icons. Okay, there's also like a, for example, yeah, virus protection icons. Okay, this is the virus protection icons. Yeah, see, so cool, right? Yeah, if your niche, if your business niche is related to coronavirus or healthcare, yeah, or any niche of that nature, yeah, you can always register for a free Envato account and upgrade it to a paid account if you think it's necessary. Yeah, so there's so many different icons, even for event related icons such as Valentine's Day. Okay, yeah, Valentine's Day, yeah, and there's also like all these for different niches. Okay, for different niches such as hotel, education, universal, yeah, fitness and sports. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely our go-to place to get all these cool animated icons. Okay, and there's also for the After Effects. Okay, maybe we can pick After Effects and let's see what's the difference like. Okay, it's basically about the same, but the main difference is there's more selections for After Effects. Okay, so maybe we can try this one, which is coronavirus animated icons. Okay, so yeah, we can help to spread the correct awareness about this pandemic. Yeah, if our business is related to this topic, which is absolutely a necessary awareness, global awareness for every person. Alright, so we can do our part for that. So if you want to switch to another platform, which is known as Motion Elements, okay, and Motion Elements allow individual package downloads, which is known as the credits package, and Motion Elements has quite a number of icons over here too. So there's about, wait, let's see, let's scroll down. There's about 4 pages, so there's about 100 plus. Okay, so we can also, they've got like all these healthcare and medicine also. Okay, yeah, sorry for the music. Yeah, for the sudden music. Alright, so the main difference is there's the subscription element and the individual downloads pricing. Okay, so this is like we can see the pricing over here. Okay, which is $9. Okay, $9. So the one with the thunder icon, is available for the yearly subscription package, which is $1650 US dollars for every month, but paid annually. Okay, this is for the individual downloads, so there's quite a lot over here. Okay, as for Envato, the interesting part about Envato is they actually offer a 12 hand-selected files every month, even for free users. Okay, so there's even like music, stock footage, and all these other design elements. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this walkthrough about animated icons. Okay, so if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts about which kind of marketplace or platform do you usually visit to download all these animated icons. Okay, so if you like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification.